Hello, my smart word study people. So I want you to grab a piece of paper, and today is literally practicing to just see, almost like a practice test. I want you to see if you can write these words and spell them correctly. Because your test is going to be, what does bilingual mean? And you're gonna have to write bilingual means and then write that literal meaning afterwards. So you do need to know how to spell it also, even though our focus is more on word parts and those elements of things, okay, and what they mean. All right, so pause if you need. I want you to have a piece of paper and a pencil and sort of do a little practice quiz with yourself. So let's just write the word tripod. So think about your prefix and then the root word. So we have tripod, tripod. Number 2 is biennial, biennial, biennial. Number 3 is monotonous. So in your head, you need to be thinking, oh, monotonous, that's mono, and then toneness, but there's still some tricky things with that us at the end. So monotonous. 4 is bilingual. So we have bi and then lingual, which is a weird part there. So you have to know that ending, those ending sounds, bilingual. Number 5 is bifocals. Bifocals. So we have bifocals. Number 6 is trilogy. Trilogy. In your head, you could be saying it a little bit different also to remember that one. So either way, we know we have tri and then logy. Trilogy. All right, next one, number 7, is binary. So binary, binary. 8 is monopoly. So we have mono, poly, monopoly. 9 is monolingual. So you have monolingual. Mono, and then ling, and we have that guol again, which is a weird ending to be aware of. 10 is triangle. Should be good with that one. 11 is bi-monthly. Bi-monthly. 12 is triceratops. So the big question is, how do you spell that S sound? Is it an S? Is it a C? So we have tri and then ceratops. 13 is monotone. Even though I'm saying monotone, you need to know that it's still the prefix mono and then tone. Not the same word as monotonous, but very similarly related. Monotone. 14, biceps, biceps. 15, monorail, a monorail. 16 is monologue. Again, even though I'm saying mana, you know that it has that prefix mono, monologue. But that whole log has a lot of letters in it. So paying attention to how to spell those. Number 17 is unilateral. Unilateral. So we have unilateral. 18 is uniform. Uniform. 19 is unify. 20 is universal. 21, it is not triathlon. It's triathlon. So pay close attention to that. Triathlon, not triathlon. People say that wrong all the time. Triathlon. Triathlon. And 22, your last one, is bisect. So bisect. And that's part of the word like section. Okay, so it helps you understand how to spell that as well. So bisect, those two parts. So now that you're done, I want you to check your work with this. I'm just going to hold this up and you can pause it and look at it carefully and check your work. So let's just do half of it. So you can pause and check this half, then I'll lift it up for the other half. And here's the other half. Okay. So when you're done, now that you're done checking that, fix your mistakes, mark it off if it's wrong, that type of thing. And now we have a good idea of which ones you want to practice so that you are able to say this word means this and spell it all correctly. All right, nice job today. I'll talk to you about how that went at the end of class.